One of the most useful features in Max that other 3D packages don't have is the modifier stack. The modifier stack allows us to make non-destructive changes to our mesh. If I apply the bend modifier from the modifier list above, you can see that I can hide and remove it. Another useful modifier is the edit poly modifier. This allows us to make changes to the mesh, but as you can see we can hide it and we can delete it. So this is a good way of working non-destructively, so we don't have to keep undoing if we make changes we don't want. Another modifier that I use is the shell modifier, and what that does is it'll create a thickness if you just have a flat polygon. Another useful modifier is the turbo smooth, which usually used for high polygon modelling, but it can also be used to create certain more organic shapes from a primitive model. This can also be used to create more geometry. If you turn on the smoothing groups, you'll notice that it's given us more even geometry to work with, and this can be useful in certain rare cases, but it's a bit advanced for this tutorial. Another common modifier is the FFD modifier. This creates a cage around the mesh that we can edit using the control points. This is useful for creating more organic shapes, as it's faster than selecting each individual vertex.